の名前はトシ、彼はエディ。僕たちは今親友のクリスを待ってるんだ。クリスはいつも遅れて登場する。その理由は髪型を完璧に整えるため。でも遅れた言い訳は決まってこいんだ。いいかいは嫌い。つまり電車が遅れててさって。もうすぐクリスがやってくる。見てて。
Sorry I'm late, guys. The E-train was delayed.
So, guys, what are your plans for Christmas? It's a week away.
1週間後のクリスマスって別に仕事で I'm just gonna work.
Work? What? No way! I got invited to this huge holiday party at the Rainbow Room, top of Rockefeller Center. And I might just get a chance to meet Bruno Mars this year.
ブルーノ・マースと一緒にパーティー。あと1週間でクリスマス。エディは毎年セレブの集まるクリスマスパーティーを開催。そしてクリスは毎年ダンワン特別な人との出会いを待ってる。What about you, Chris? Any special plans?
You know me. I want a special romance. Oh, really, guys? I'm going to meet the one.
Yeah, I'm ready for a strong shot of espresso. Where's the waitress? Miss.
Oh, welcome to Cafe Jamor. What can I get you guys?
彼女はこのカフェの新人メアリー。そして2階で多分インスタの更新をしているのはジェニー。ここのカフェのスペシャルドリンクはいつも独特なんだ。僕たちは絶対に頼まないそのスペシャルを興味本位で毎回訪ねてみる。今日のスペシャルは What is today's special?
Today's special, it's the Mocha Choco Caramello Affogato with whipped cream and sprinkles.
No.
Well, we also have the holiday pumpkin
I'll just take an
extravaganza.
espresso, Doppio.
僕はカフェラテ please.
Yeah, can I get a... Wait, you say Doppio?
Doppio, it means double.
エスプレッソのダブル You got me so wild, man.
I'll just take a cappuccino. Wait, where'd she go? Don't you hate it when waitresses do that?
まあ落ち着けよ。彼女まだ新人なんだから She's a new waitress.
No, see, they're always there when you don't need them.
Sorry
Then,
about that.
when you actually need something, they're nowhere to be found. I mean,
Excuse
look,
me,
it's
sir?
pretty much. I've never waited tables a day in my life, but I think at the very least, I
Hey,
don't
what can I
anything
get you to
in order
drink?
Wow. Hi. I'm cappuccino.
Hi, Mr. Cappuccino.
Oh,
I'm Mary.
Oh, no, I'm Chris. Shoot. And I'd like a cappuccino.
A cappuccino.
Yeah, with the foam on the top. It reminds me of snow.
Me too. Okay then, Mr. Chris. So that's espresso, cafe latte, and cappuccino. Extra snow.
Yeah, I'm Chris.
クリスのあの目、もしかして毎年クリスマスに求めていたロマンスがようやく彼に訪れたのかも。Hey, Chris.
What's on your mind, Mary?
Chris.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I want.
Oh, your coffee. I am so sorry.
No. Actually, I
Coffee.
Oh. So, where are you from?
New York. You?
Oh, I'm from Australia.
Oh, that's a fancy accent.
わかりますよね、この何も進まない感じ。
New York. あなたは
Australia.
おしゃれなアクセントね。
Listen, buddy, you're in.
Now close the deal. Ask her out.
そうだよ、せっかく迷いたロマンスを逃すな、クリス。
Could I take you out for dinner sometime?
お、クリスがメアリーのデートに誘った。メアリーの答えはもちろん。
Oh no! What? Oh no! No! I'm so sorry. This came out so wrong.
確かに急な展開にびっくりするメアリーの気持ちもわかる。そうだ、いいこと考えた。
But
ロマンティックな音楽をお願い。
The music is romantic, isn't it?
yes, it is romantic.
Go, Chris.
Just say yes.
Look, it's just a date, just to get to know each other better.
そうだよ、お互いに知り合うための単なるデート、メアリー。
I guess you're right. It is just a date. No big deal, right?
Exactly. So, what do you say?
Come on, Mary.
Say yes. Yes. I just never thought that I would meet a complete stranger and then suddenly feel like everything just shifted. When I was small and Christmas trees were tall, we used to laugh while others used to play. Don't ask me why, but time has passed us by. Someone else moved in from far away. Oh, we danced
And Christmas trees were low. We used to love while others used to see why the time has passed us by. So we would dance with you from far. Mary.
Hey, Chris! Here you go.
Oh, what's this?
Your cappuccino.
Ah, yeah, my cappuccino.
Here you go.
Oh, what's this?
My phone number.
Thanks.
Oh, could I get your phone number?
Yes. But am I ever going to hear from you?
Oh, yeah, how's next Thursday night for dinner?
Next Thursday. Wait, that's Christmas Eve.
Yes, Christmas Eve.
ついにクリスマスイブにメアリーとの約束を。
I want to spend Christmas Eve with you.
メアリーの答えは
Yes!